west, and this will move through tomorrow, and that'll give us another chance for a shower or thunderstorm. But overall, we've seen most of what we're going to get from this particular pattern change. The heaviest rain out near Powhatan, 2.5 inches in the area in yellow. Light greens indicate 1.5 inches of rain. Darker greens, about 2 inches of rain. That'd be in the Midlothian area. So Midlothian had some flooding, but they also had the tornadic threat this afternoon. So let's go over to the maps. Let me show you what happened. This is the reflectivity from 553, so this is the rainfall we're looking at. And notice this little notch in here. There's not precipitation there because the precipitation is actually suspended. It's in the updraft region, so the radar is shooting underneath it. So when you see a notch like that, it sort of raises a red flag. We saw something like this last week when those storms developed and produced all the damage. Now here are the wind velocities. This is kind of looking at the inside of the storm and seeing exactly what the winds are doing. The green shadings are winds coming toward the radar site. The reds are going away from the radar site, and this is developing right along Hull Street and the Chippenham Parkway. Right there, that would be where the circulating wind is. Winds coming toward the radar site, winds going away. So that was the developing tornado, or at least in this case what's called a mesocyclone, a rotating updraft and a potential for a tornado. This is what prompted the tornado warning. There's been some damage down there. We'll have to go out and do a survey to see whether that damage was circular or straight in nature. This is what one of those rotating updrafts would look like, called a mesocyclone. Thanks to Megan Hanna for sending in that picture. Getting a check on the temperatures from today, 73 this morning.